So, I'm gonna need your help. But before I tell you what I need help with, I should probably give you some context first. Come on. Well, as you know, last month I went to a concrete expo center held by Decocrete. I met so many great people there, and one of those people was a guy named Ernie, and he was working the Concrete Countertop Solutions booth. Long story short, we decided very quickly that we were gonna do a video together, and I mean, look, they sent me everything I need to do my very own concrete countertop. They sent me 11 bags of concrete countertop mix. They sent me the colorant. They even sent me the wire mesh and the little wire mesh shoes, even along with the screws. And by the way, if you're not familiar with Concrete Countertop Solutions, they developed the Z Counterform system. And check this out. This is the magic behind the whole system right here. Are these really cool rails that are actually edge forms. You lay your cement board base down on top of the cabinets, you attach these rails or these edge forms around the perimeter, you pour your concrete countertop. After it's cured, you go ahead and you snap these edges off, which reveals this really cool profile of your choosing. It takes so much of the form work out of the equation. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, the company sent you all this stuff, so why do you need our help? So the problem is that, well, I've never poured a concrete countertop in place before. It's a whole different monster. So I'm gonna need your help. Send in your very best tips and tricks, and I will include them in the video. Also, send me some of your questions, some of the big questions that you've always had with any kind of concrete countertop, whether it's pour in place or an inverted cast. Send them in. We'll try to answer all those questions on the next video. Well, it's not gonna be in the next video, but it will be in the video later on this month because the concrete's gonna need about 10 days to cure before I seal it, so I can get you guys those really good finish shots. But I am so excited to try this. Ever since I started this channel, I've always wanted to try the system out, and now I finally get the chance. So thank you so much to Ernie and Dario for setting this all up and sending us all this great project for the channel. I can't thank you enough. And it's always exciting to watch me do something that I've never done before because, well, you know I'm gonna screw up. So send in your tips and tricks and your questions, and I will see you in the next video.